Did you know that the average bathroom renovation can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000? Yes, you heard that right. For many homeowners, that's a staggering amount of money just to update a space that's typically smaller than a bedroom. But what if I told you that you can achieve a stunning transformation without draining your bank account? Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly bathroom makeovers, where you can create an inviting oasis without breaking the bank. Let's face it, small bathrooms can be a real challenge. You're dealing with limited space, often outdated fixtures, and maybe even a color palette that hasn't seen a refresh since the 90s. And if you're on a budget, it can feel like you're fighting an uphill battle. You might be thinking, how can I make my tiny bathroom look like something out of a magazine when I barely have enough to cover a new shower curtain? I get it. It's frustrating. But the good news is that there are countless ways to breathe new life into your bathroom without spending a fortune. First things first, let's talk about the power of paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for any space, especially a small bathroom. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to transform your environment. Opt for light, airy colors to make the room feel larger and more open. Soft whites, pale blues, or gentle greens can create a serene atmosphere that feels welcoming. And don't be afraid to add a pop of color. A bold accent wall or colorful trim can add personality and charm. The best part? A gallon of paint is usually under $50, and with a little elbow grease, you can completely change the vibe of your bathroom in just a weekend. Now, let's move on to decor. You don't need to invest in expensive art or fancy decor items to make your bathroom feel inviting. Consider adding some inexpensive wall art or DIY decor. You can easily create your own artwork using canvas and paint, or even repurpose items you already have around the house. A few well-placed shelves can also add both style and storage. You can display beautiful towels, plants, or even your favorite books. Just remember, it's all about creating a cohesive look that reflects your personality while remaining functional. Speaking of functionality, let's tackle the issue of organization. Small bathrooms can quickly become cluttered, but with some strategic organization, you can maximize your space and make it feel much more open. Invest in some affordable storage solutions like baskets, bins, or tiered organizers. Utilize vertical space by adding hooks or wall-mounted racks. Don't forget about under-sink storage. A simple cabinet organizer can help you make the most of that often neglected area. By decluttering and organizing, you'll not only create a more visually appealing space, but you'll also make your bathroom more functional and enjoyable to use. Now, let's talk about DIY projects. If you're feeling a bit crafty, there are so many ways to personalize your bathroom without spending a fortune. Consider refinishing your cabinets instead of replacing them. A little sanding and a fresh coat of paint can make a world of difference. You can also swap out hardware for a quick and easy update. New knobs or handles can give your cabinets a whole new look without the hefty price tag of a full remodel. And if you're really feeling ambitious, how about creating your own vanity? There are plenty of tutorials online that can guide you through the process of building a stylish and functional piece that fits your space perfectly. Let's not forget about the impact of lighting. Good lighting can transform a space from drab to fab in an instant. If your bathroom has outdated fixtures, consider swapping them out for something more modern and stylish. You can often find affordable options at big box stores or even secondhand shops. Installing a new light fixture can be a simple DIY project that makes a huge difference in the overall feel of the room. And don't underestimate the power of natural light. If you have a window, make sure to keep it unobstructed to let in as much light as possible. Now, let's take a moment to visualize what a stunning before and after transformation looks like. Picture this. A small, cramped bathroom with faded wallpaper, outdated fixtures, and a general sense of neglect. Now imagine that same space after a little TLC. The walls are painted a soft, inviting color. The cabinets have been refinished to a chic white, and new hardware adds a touch of elegance. A few carefully chosen decor pieces bring warmth and personality, while organized shelves showcase beautiful towels and plants. The lighting is bright and welcoming, making the space feel larger and more open. It's amazing how a few budget-friendly changes can create such a dramatic difference. So, if you're feeling inspired and ready to tackle your own bathroom makeover, remember that you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve a beautiful space. With a little creativity, some elbow grease, and a clear vision, you can transform your small bathroom into a stylish oasis that you'll love spending time in. If you enjoyed these tips and want to see more budget-friendly home improvement ideas, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm here to help you create the home of your dreams without breaking the bank. Let's embark on this journey together, and I can't wait to see the incredible transformations you'll achieve.